name is Paul Robertson, and my shop is on 80th and Scott Road in Surrey-Delta. I've been fixing vehicles for, let's just say, over 25 years. My dad owned this store before I did. When I was about 15 or 16, on a Saturday morning, he said, it's time to go to work. We offer everything from oil changes to changing a battery, diagnosing check engine lights, and changing fuel pumps and alternators, starters, exhaust systems, obviously, brakes, suspension, wheel alignments, tires. I could go on. I have lots of customers that have been coming for 30 years plus here, and their children come, and quite frankly, they're more than just customers, they become friends. Those are the most rewarding things for me in this business. We do good work, we're honest, and we're competitively priced.
Budget.